eat, let's eat. Let's eat. I'm the only person happy to eat. Welcome to the roommates, hey, the roommates, hey, the roommates.
Hi y'all, it's your girl Amber, and welcome to the roommates. Today I will be having a seafood feast. Today I'm having lobster tail, shrimp, mussels, potatoes, broccoli, and corn, and Keisha's buttered seafood sauce, and Keisha's ranch seafood sauce. So roomies, go get your plates, grab your food, and come sit down and eat with us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video. Enjoy watching. Now let's eat! So roomies, I'm about to take my first bite. Let me see what I'm gonna have. I think I will do the lobster today because normally I do the shrimp. Here it is. Look at that, it looks just like red lobster. Keisha made it real pretty. And I'm going to try it with the ranch seafood sauce. Check that out. Look how beautiful that looks. That was really good. Keisha outdid herself with that sauce. I know a lot of times I say this all the time, but this was her first time making it and it came out just right. Now I wonder how the broccoli is going to taste with it. It's going to be an interesting surprise. Because in a way, if you look at it, it kind of looks like dressing. The broccoli is real good with it. And the potato, I'm going to try the potato with the butter sauce and see how that tastes. I'm having a little trouble keeping that on there because it keeps slipping off. And I got my lemon. That tastes better every time she makes it. My roommate Keisha, she could cook. She made this whole platter. She got it looking like red lobster, like I just left the restaurant. Now I'm gonna try this one with the butter sauce because she put extra seasoning on there. Check it out. She put the butter, garlic powder, and onion powder in there, and a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna do one of each. I already ate half of it. I'm gonna do the other half and the ranch sauce. It's hard for me not to lick my fingers, guys. This is just out of this world. Now for the mussels. Now, you guys, when it comes to seafood, I try not to waste the meat. A lot of times it'll be hard for me to get all the meat out of the shell, but I do my best to slurp that meat out of that shell. And I got my lemon juice there. Almost choked that time. I was slurping so fast I almost choked out the juice. You guys, it is taking me probably, at least for some of you that don't all watch the videos, it is taking me probably 4 videos until I finally got this down right to knowing how to eat the seafood. Because I thought, all this time I thought I knew how to eat seafood, and I loved it because I would eat shrimp and mussels, but I did not know I was eating it the wrong way all my life. Now we have not seen the jumbo shrimp yet. We're going to try that and do one of each. We're going to do a little bit of ranch and a little bit of butter sauce. And see how that tastes. We got 2-for-1 special, look at that. You guys, Keisha could cook so good. That doesn't matter how, if I mix it, it's still gonna taste good. She knows what she's doing. So let's see what I'm gonna take next. I think I'll do the corn. I think I might do the corn and the butter sauce. Let's see if that's gonna stick. I can't seem to get these vegetables to stick, but I'm gonna try my best. And the lemon. Now that is some juicy corn. And sour without lemon juice. I feel like I'm in heaven eating this. Because for the past 2 days I was trying to do it fast to take off some weight. But it didn't work, I was still hungry. Every time I went to the grocery store, I was chasing after those free samples. probably got stuff on my face too, as you can see. And on my shirt, I'm looking like Keisha. Look at that, I need a bib. I haven't got stuff on my lap. I might as well get two bibs. One on my chest and one on my lap. Because I'm just a sloppy eater. Now I remember the first time I ate this. When I did the seafood for dummies. I don't know if you guys have watched that. The first time I ate the shrimp. I did not know you were supposed to take the shell off. So I ate the shell. And Keisha's looking at me like I lost my marbles for eating the shell. Because I didn't know you were supposed to take off the shell. The potato, I'm gonna try that with the ranch sauce and see how that tastes. That's delicious with that potato. And then we got the last lobster tail. I'm gonna miss this lobster tail when it goes. Mr. Lobster, I'm sad that you're my last one. And I gotta eat you. I'm so sad. And you're going in the butter. Sometimes I like talking to the food for entertainment, like it's a puppet show. I bit off more than I can chew, and it's taken me forever to chew the meat. I almost forgot I had my orange juice. I'm so into the food roomies, I almost forgot I had a drink. Now here, this is fresh squeezed orange juice from Pete's Fresh Market. You see, I got the lemon juice dripping down my face. That's how you know the food is good if it's juicy and dripping down your face. Even though it's my probably sixth, well, I wouldn't really call this a seafood boil, but it's sixth time eating seafood on camera. I still struggle sometimes with taking the shells off. I think I'll do the ranch sauce. and see how that tastes with some lemon, because I haven't tried that yet, so I'm kind of curious. Let's see what that tastes like. I like experimenting with food, so you'll notice I sometimes will eat weird foods. Oh, that was good. It didn't taste no different. It just had a little kick to it. So tell me, roomies, what'd you guys eat today? Put in the comments below what you guys ate today. I haven't tried the ranch on the mussels, so I'm going to see how that works. It definitely won't be dripping, but we'll see if that tastes good. That's not bad, it's different. I've never had ranch sauce on mussels. It's actually pretty good. The shell is just stubborn to get off. It's like he does not want to come off. Mr. Shrimp, I don't care if you're stubborn, I'm still gonna eat you. Stuck in my fingers. Gotta get all the juice out of the lemons because I don't like to waste stuff. That's some good seafood sauce. I can't move my hair back with my hands because they're all greasy, so I have to use my arms. Yeah, anytime I take off the shells, you guys probably notice that I look like I'm going into surgery because I didn't like to do it right. I just look like a little surgeon, all professional about it. Now for my potato, I think I'm gonna dip them a little bit in the both and see how that tastes. A little bit of ranch and a little bit of vegetables. Let's see if we can get that on there. Ah, they're falling off. Ooh, no. It's hard not to lick your fingers, that's how good it is. So roomies, most of the time, whenever reading my comments, every now and then I see that a few people put on my comments about how they'll watch my videos and then be grossed out by the time I lick my fingers. But I mean, what do they want me to do? I got juice dripping down my hand, and I don't want to use up a whole roll of paper towels because that's what happened if I use the paper towels. So it's hard not to lick my fingers. Like when I read the comments about how people be grossed out about how I lick my fingers, I'll be licking my hand. I saw it on there, I think it said I lost like a subscriber or two. I was really brokenhearted. Like, it made me so mad to hear that I didn't even want Keisha to tell me. I'm like, yeah, when we get bad comments, don't tell me because I know I'll take it personal. But a lot of times when people be saying that, I take it personal. Because people don't know the time and the energy it takes to do these videos. Because it takes me probably a while just to mentally prepare. Because before a video, I'm nervous like you would not believe. Like I'll just be in my room, flat ironing my hair, getting ready. And on top of it, it's hard to sometimes talk and engage with the subscribers watching. Because this is my first time in a while that I've done a video by myself without someone else being in the video with me. It's probably more nerve-wracking to be talking to the camera than to have someone else on here with you. Because when you got someone else on here with you, you're not even looking at the camera, you're just mostly talking with the other person, engaging in a conversation, forget that the camera's right in front of you. But I think at first, to be honest with you guys, at first, it took me a long time to learn my intro. Like Keisha has the patience of a saint as to how many takes she had to run with me. Because at first, when I did I think for the first month, it took me probably between 2 and 4 hours until we just got the intro. Before we got to the actual introducing the food and talking, because that's how nervous I was. As soon as the camera would be on, it's like I'd freeze up and I'd just be forgetting what the heck my lines were. Like even though my lines were just the intro, I'd forget how to do the intro and just be like stuttering. Just stuttering and not. But then when I would practice my intro, I'd have it down to a T. But then by the time I got to go on camera, the best I did probably within this past 3 months was taking about 6 takes. And if you ever see the bloopers, you'll be able to see all the funny moments your girl Amber has trying to get past the intro. one video I was especially nervous with that I can't say enough, it was the Carolina Reaper Pepper Challenge. Because in my head, when I tried to do it, as soon as I was fine with chewing it for the 30 seconds, and by the time it hit my throat, it's like my brain was just telling me, no, we can't do it. We can't do it. It's not going to go down. So then I ended up spitting it out, and I was thinking to myself, would it make for a bad video if even though it went in my hand, to try again and put it back in my mouth? But then I'm thinking like, no, that's probably cheating. That might defeat the whole purpose of the whole video. I'm thinking like, no, maybe I might try that next time and just do it as like a practice run to see if it's okay to do that. But the hot challenges, the only one I can say was challenging were only the pepper challenges. Like if I did a habanero pepper, or actual just a raw pepper itself, it's a lot harder to do than any peanut challenge, or chocolate challenge, or chip challenge. Because at least with those, it's pretty much, it's like powdered, like almost like it has that flavor, like it's hot, but it's not like raw, like as if you just picked it off the tree of the hot peppers. Like anytime I turn on the TV and watch my videos, I'll just be laughing. Like when I was a kid, I used to get so nervous to be on camera. But not because I had to be in front of the camera. It was more like I would get self-conscious to see myself on camera. But thank God as an adult, I finally got over that. See, y'all, I'm struggling with getting these vegetables on this corn. But it's worth it because the sauce is amazing. I got seafood sauce just dripping down my face. Beloved, if you're watching, I hope you get to see this video and enjoy it. Because it means a lot to me whenever I get your comments. I love hearing from you, girl. Keisha did a good job on this ranch sauce. I could definitely eat it again. Finally got the shell off and didn't even have to struggle with it. I think I'm getting good. It's like it's stuck together, y'all. Just stuck. There we go. Anytime you eat mussels, you should always have patience for them. Because sometimes the meat is just stuck together and looks like a butterfly, just shells. That's hard to separate. So good, I don't even want to stop. Roll it around in the dip. Yep, my shrimp is all up in the dip. And then I'm gonna put my lemon juice on there. That's not bad. That's really good. I'm having trouble getting that part. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm driving my muscle. I'm gonna do this half and the other sauce. Eating seafood will make you thirsty, especially that butter sauce. So roomies, for you guys that eat seafood, what is your favorite thing to eat? Go ahead and put in the comments below of what your favorite seafood is that you prefer to eat. Roomies, every time Keisha makes a seafood sauce and it's new, it always amazes me because she does it by scratch. And every time she does it, it's always different. I like that it's always a surprise every time. Even if it was the same sauce, like the butter sauce, it always tastes like she put a little more love into it every time. It takes me longer to eat the mussels. Because like this meat, it just sticks to the shell. And not only that, getting the butter sauce off of there, it's hard to slurp both because like you feel like you're gonna choke. Let's see if we can get that. One slurp and I got that. I think I'm getting better at this. I'm almost done, you guys. I'm gonna fall. Keisha's ranch seafood sauce filling me up. I think I'll do two. One of each. I'm trying that. One with vegetables and one with ranch. We're gonna slurp this at the same time. Shaggy, you got my mouth like a vacuum cleaner. I just slurp that up fast. I hope all the pretty ladies are watching this don't hold it against me. But I do not eat like this on a date. I only eat like this on camera to make a funny video. But on a date, I probably try too hard to be perfect. There we go, it came off just perfect. We got two more pieces of meat, some vegetables, and one potato to go, you guys. You can see that your girl Amber finished this platter all by herself. Oh, missed a spot. I just be making noises. I know Keisha's on behind the scenes making faces at me. I can't wait to see the look on her face when she watches the video when it's posted. I think she's going to be laughing. That's some good shrimp. The last shrimp. I'm sad to see this meat is all gone. Broccoli, even with the seafood sauce, good too. That's the first time I've ever had broccoli with seafood. That's good. I'm so full, you guys. This is my last thing I'm eating right now. The potato with the seafood sauce. I'm so full it's hard for me to take another bite. But for you, the roomies, I'm gonna do it for y'all. Well, I'm all done eating. I had a lot of fun eating and talking with you guys. I'm full, and now I gotta close out my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video. Thank you all for watching. Peace out, y'all. Love you. And in the words of Keisha, don't forget to live, love, and laugh. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.